Meron tayong dumating na package. Galing yan ng Works Connection. Buksan natin. Bumungad agad yung sticker na hinihingi ko. Delivering snapback. So every time you order over 150, Works Connection will give you a free snapback. I'm just asking for free stickers. They'll give it for free. We have the titanium foot pegs. Instant clutch kit. This will make your bike fast. And this instant clutch cover will make your bike look fast. Meron tayo ditong rear brake cylinder cover. Fork adjuster. Rear brake return spring. Hour meter bracket. Full flare plug. Front brake cylinder cap. Our front brake lever. Fork guard bracket. Titanium bolts. Kasamang sticker. Ito talaga binabayaran dito yung sticker. Titanium foot pegs. Kasama din manual para hindi magpatsambahan. Wow, sobrang gaan, no? Noticeable yung gaan niya. Grabe, parang wala kang buhat, oh. Talas pa, oh. Wasak talaga yung boots mo niya, no? Quality talaga. Thank you, Works Connection. Kasama din springs. Titanium springs as well. Instant clutch with stiffer and high temp clutch springs. Tayo talaga yung motor mo niya kada cambio mo, kaya kailangan kumapit ka para hindi ka mahulog sa maling tao. Siyempre, lalagyan natin ng cover para bumilis tignan. Sabi nga nila, pag hindi mo na kayang daanin sa bilis, daanin mo na sa bihis. Bye-bye!